Hi, welcome to the Solana for Developers YouTube series. I'm especially excited today because this series is the inaugural series of videos for the Blockchain Professor YouTube channel. I plan to release a new video approximately once per week until I feel that our YouTube community has a solid familiarity with the Solana blockchain. Furthermore, I'm going to do my best to guide you on this journey, assuming only minimal prerequisites. In particular, the only things you'll need to know in advance are how to use the Python programming language and how to set up a Phantom wallet. As far as learning Python goes, the only resource which I personally recommend is the famous 4 hours of Python YouTube video, which I've linked below. I've also linked the page where you can download the Phantom Wallet Google Chrome extension. You'll be using the Phantom Wallet to hold your Solana tokens. Personally, I prefer to keep the talking to a minimum and the coding to a maximum. So without further ado, let's get to it. In the next video, we'll write a short Python script to help you understand the relationship between the private key and the wallet address of your Phantom wallet.